Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two headphones in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start design. Headphone type. Weight. Can be folded. Cable length. STO speakers. Part 2. Sound quality. Highest frequency. Lowest frequency. Bass amount. Travel amount. Bass accuracy. Mid accuracy. Travel accuracy. Peaks and dips. Driver unit size. Impedance. Sound pressure level. Passive noise reduction. Part 3. Active features. Bluetooth version. Bluetooth range. Multi-device pairing. Equalizer. Playback control. Analog audio. Part 4. Power. Battery power. Battery type. Battery life. Charge time. USB Type-C. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.